guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm doing a pure purple monochromatic look, and I'm mainly using Morphe and James Charles palette. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. So the first shade I'm going in with is this dark purple colour in the shade Escape, and I'm just using my Real Techniques crease brush. So firstly I applied the colour with just patting it all in and just building up the intensity, and then I'll slowly go in and start blending out the outer edges just to get that blended, blown out look. So now to blend out the outer edges of that colour, I'm using the shade Love Thou, which is more of a plummy, purpley pink shade, and I'm using a fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm just going in and just blending out where that purple is and just going just below my brow bone. Then I'm going to go back in with that dark colour just to bring that intensity back. And then to clean underneath my brows, I'm going in with the shade Canvas. And then I'll go back in with that fluffy Morphe brush just to blend those two colours in. So for the eyelid, I'm going to go in with this Barry holographic eyeshadow topper. And I can't remember what the shade is, but it'll be on the screen. So I'm applying this all over my eyelid as well as like cutting the crease. And this will help the next shade I'm going to use, which is the Artistry shade from the James Morphe palette. And this will just help it just adhere onto there and just stick on a bit more, and because it's got that purple tone, it'll bring the purple and blue tones out on the James colour. Now I'm just going to go in and blend out the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going in with that Escape shade again under my lower lash line, and then I'll pick up that Morphe brush again with the bright Love That shade. So I'm just going to intensify the crease of my eye using the shade Escape, because I felt like I lost that a little bit. And then to highlight underneath my eyebrow, I'm going in with my favourite highlighter, and this is Jeffree Sarcophagus shade from his Skin Frost collection. And then I'm just going to apply my winged liner, tight line and mascara and everything like that. And then to highlight the inner corner, I'm going in with Steeler's Magnificent Metals in the shade Kitten Karma, and then I'll apply the Sarcophagus shade on top of that as well. For the lipstick, I went in with Beauty Bakery's She's Just Jelly lip colour, lip shade, because I wanted to bring this whole look into a purple. And then just to bring some dimension and highlights in the centre of my lips, I went in with Line Crime's Posh Metallic Lipstick. This is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already. And I hope I'll see you all soon. Bye!